Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AI to predict market trends on TradingView. So basically TradingView is a broker application where you can just invest it and make them trades in stocks markets or crypto. So I will be just selected the Bitcoin and I will be just tap on this indicator option and I will just type it for machine learning average. Here is the second, you will see machine learning moving average. I will just tap on it simply and I want to just apply it on it. So you can use this indicator to find out whether your coin is going up or down, going into lose or going into profit. Okay, select any coin, go to the up and here is you will see the indicator option and option in it and apply up a strategy of machine learning average and you can see it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.